Soludo, under your watch, 2 young state assembly members died under questionable circumstance. When you do so, it's all the going to for as chief executive officer of the state. All arranged mothers, the illustrated professor, Semana Anambra State, people we are practicing constitutional democracy in Nigeria. All political parties will know their candidates. Soludo, this is our governor twice in Dacha before we are not imposed on the people of Anambra State in your government. For the past 3 years, they will come to South food in a state. South from Soludo, under your watch, 2 young state assembly members died under questionable circumstance. When you do so, it's all the going to for as chief executive officer of the state. All arranged mothers. It's not feeling in Anambra State, wasn't the money. Anambra State in Thursday, the Manana, the Benin Anambra. Keep it Anambra Kita, the Muruniana, Suyon, and Amos, so even senior and government. You can't reinforce failure, you know you have failed. You have failed woefully. In a woman, is it? My certificate in my PhD failing. To course. In my PhD, Regimonian Male Fail certificate, if you nature November 8th, you don't call together. Giving nature is simple and memory masters. They get my music, Ghana be his so, fine music and ever, I change off my masters. In the matter of Calabar, they remember my first degree. How did that? They don't know. Even you got everything, they will have kissing nature. Go and ask. I want to know a professor Kidi Uche. I can't go see me and a Ponapon for my word day by the department. Because I may be able to say, Professor, but I have just a word in the department here. You're not saying Soludo, the one that are working on this, the state government in the whole Africa. When you tell you see yes, and Peter and Nancy, they will make it go to over the deodorants, keep it, you see, and the plane and a keep it and what you pay. In report, you all those city money now is so stinking and embarrassing for the government. Soludo, I don't see. Hakumaka, I think Romanian candidate of a party governorship, a deputy governorship can be a concern of that, but I can give you what is it? Why? I'm the governor. Why do I know the Anambra? So you have cancelled her out, as if she has political ambition to her. We don't know the implication of that spelling anymore. But let me tell you something, Soludo. If I can be here for you without 1% support from you, I can be president without you. You are not God and you can't be my God. You are too smart to determine my future. I am where I am today based on hard work, God's grace, and perseverance. And 1 million of Soludos can never stop it. And you know that, you know me now. And that is why you're attacking me per second per second. Let me tell you, don't just give me a native. One day I will meet you in the field. Okay, now, by the way, no one in Nana, let us start packing your things. As far as I'm concerned, to be the former governor of Anambra State. Okay, now I say every day, oh, Mr. President, progressives are working together. In 2023, Soludo, what brought your friend? Did you suspend your friend in 2023? In 2020 situation, let me tell you, Soludo, the family of Bank of if you make like you, that's the man, 1 million people. Forget me, because I may be a very timid person, very envious of people, very jealous, very cantankerous, a sadist. You're never happy with yourself. I don't know what your problems are, but I believe I'm not one of your problems. Your problem must be internal, because you're not behaving like a normal human being. You're behaving like a sadist, and that's what you are. So leave me out of your problem, because I'm not one of them. We are just contesting election. We are not at war. We're contesting election because we are practicing democracy. All parties must have candidates, and you must accept the fact that you must have a quality. Even if I'm not into this, person will be. But I know they are attacking me because they know what they do. Whoever that carries the bomb is the person that gets that enemy. But I can't. Every governor can. Behind any strength will they govern. I've never been governor before, but going by what I've achieved, I as an individual, so that kind of stuff. Okay, why? That can't be too much. My governor in my fake professorship.
ụmụnne m ebe ọ bụ na chara nwa mgbafọ si n'ọnụ ka anyị akọbazi fọnụ ya bụ ọlụwacha n'ilu ebe ọ si n'ọnụ ka a ga-akọba n'ụwaala mana my greatest surprise ebe a bụ na enweghị m idea nụ Ada Iyom Ekwunife bụ deputy Nicholas Ụkachukwu enweghị m idea got I got come for vida now because before I got balam check if only body a deputy. Do you understand me? Now I understand why Chalaman Bafuji will like corner for a bomba to bomba. If this woman and I further, this woman go and ask question on your elbow. And if 4 years ago position here where me. Do you understand me? Go and ask question. Onye nọchiri anya kịta bụ nwoke okpu ogologo. Jidere project niile this woman na-alụ. Because na nwoke okpu ogologo na onye na-ekwu. Those of you nọ na senatorial zone Uche. Ma onye nọchiri anya kịta chọrọ m ịkpọ ya afa. Do you understand me? Project niile Uche ji n'aka oge ọ nọ na PDP. They were influence of Peter Obi. Rụbanya na nwoke okpu ogologo na Labour Party wee tụchapụ Uche. Then the project niile Uche ji n'aka na the whole senatorial zone nwoke okpu ogologo abandon. You get my point? Now I understand why Ngambafo ji were apịa fire ife niile ọ na fire. Unu aghọtara onye bụ ya. I wish yourself not him about the governorship candidate. I don't know if politics, but I wish you know nyanwa. Ọ bụ na ọ nyanwa bụ governorship candidate. Ma put ebe a campaign for her. Do you understand what I'm saying? Ka pụta major platform ma campaign for her. Mana problem nwere ebe a bụ ebe afọ Obirongo. Kachikan na ọgbagị ya my issue. Anyị enwe na APC na South East Hope Uzodimma. Ndị Igbo si na a na-esi na isi ahụ were ama ụtọ nshi ka hụna dị ele ekere ka hụna ya adị. M ga-apụta ebe a na-agwa gị enwere m ike support any candidate that cannot protect life and property. And you have my own opinion. You are entitled to your opinion. Look at what happened in our main market. Can we take a good responsibility of the failed leadership of a problem? I will never support no banana no chichi and a bundle mother no chichia, but he is not doing nothing. I will never do that. I don't know how your conscience will work. Mama may or make a mala all about. But come on, nature the number. Only I will make a kitana, drama, jujumakia. I will be restless. Yotago, home more than other if I need. So, Potanic, if I knew, woman, I don't have Babu fee. Abumonian is a Fabumoyan so if. Do you understand me? So, I don't know the level you are operating. But I really understand why now Charity will have fire on our fire. But near the back.